We're in Edinburgh. This is the Royal Mile. We just had something to eat and we're heading to our hotel. Yeah. Doesn't it look pretty? On the other side of the fence. Like the boy in the striped pyjamas all over again. That building looks mad. Luckily our hotel room's ready, so we can check in early, dump our bags, get ready, and then we're going to go and explore Edinburgh for...
And have some mulled wine.
Yeah, go to the markets. We've got like
everything.
A ghost tour booked at 8.
Not scared at all.
Castles in the background. The ghost tour looks awesome. I'm probably looking forward to it. Yeah, see where the night takes us. This is our hotel room. Nice mirror, decent shower, bog. Look at this. Look at this. Hello. Not the biggest, but do for us for one night, won't it? Oh, you cannot see me. You can't see me. It's not it. That's it. We just freshened up in the hotel room, and now we're going to head to the Christmas markets and see what they have to offer. Mulled things, hopefully.
Mulled, everything mulled.
Mulled things. And we're about ready to go?
Finally.
Finally ready to go.
I mean, finally it's Christmas. Finally it's Christmas. We haven't been here that long. Press the button.
We're wandering along nicely to the markets. We haven't quite reached them, but there's some sort of kids ride section going over there. I think they're just sort of on this stretch, and then we're just going past the castle now, so I'm looking forward to it. Smile.
Cocktail o'clock. Wow.
One bar in years. We decided to take a shortcut through the train station. Just hustle and hustle. It's probably everybody like finishing for work and stuff like that.
Probably rush hour, isn't it?
Yeah. Well, it will be at 4:30.
Want another baby?
Let us out! Our shortcut was very successful. That's exactly the place we wanted to go.
Got the vegan one.
Right, we've just been in
Trip to H&M
to buy a long sleeve t-shirt because somebody didn't wear enough clothes.
and it wasn't me.
Making your gin and tonic.
It's lovely.
Welcome everyone. Welcome to the Blair Street Vaults. Because the stones of their home of people's wind are still among us right here.
Like I said before.
Cold tank beer, which is an orange IPA. Oh, go open that door, it looks really cool.
Nathan shouted her and she like fucking hurdled the sofa. Like she just like jumped it in one over to the other end.
But like not even jumped up on it.
No, she just fucking hurdled it.
What, onto where like the back door is?
The opposite way around, she was at the back door.
She was at the back door.
And Nathan shouted her and she just like hurdled
Did she
the
not
sofa.
land on the table?
What?
Did she not land on the table?
landed like choo.
Or did she land?
Like choo.
He makes me look cool, and cool
I've
I
got
am
Christmas
not.
socks on.
May I upload your footage onto my website?
Oh, well, sir, I can't believe we've ever met.
My name is Jeff
Christmas.
Alderson, but everyone calls me Coming.
Oh, right out.
Not too hungover. A little bit worse for wear.
Tiny bit. Not too
Tiny bit, not too bad. This is our view. Nothing special. Oh, people down there. Hello.
We've got 3 samples up the shelf.
That was cool.
That was quite synchronised.
Get salty in
Why
here.
is it? Why not despicable me?
I'm taller than usual.
Finally remembered to bring it.
Perilous. A perilous pigeon.
I said one. Oh, it's on my face.
Wrap from KFC. Chicken nuggets from McDonald's. Subway. Cookie. All sorts, kid. All sorts. Absolutely pouring down. Back home. But we're home now, and that was our little Edinburgh trip, so I hope you enjoyed it.